Today is going to be a very normal day, but I'm thinking of giving a glow up to myself for no reason. So, let's go.
Whether it is a glow up day or I randomly want to feel good, I always prefer to start with my bed. I like the feeling of fresh and clean after I clean myself. So, it has been a mess lately because my mind was clogged too. But here it is. Ta-da! All new and fresh. The first thing I went for was a haircut, but did not get my desired one. So maybe next time. It was time I tried something new.
Special hair is there for a reason, and I am not suggesting you all to do it. I'm just trying it for myself. So, the razor I'm going to use is from Tinkle. Let's just get started with it.
For this process, pull your skin tight, keep the blade at 45 and give downward strokes. The blades not only removes the facial hair but also scrapes out the dead skin. Avoid trying it if you have active acne or irritable skin or some other skin conditions which can be worsened by the use of this blade. Otherwise, it is fun and very safe.
Can you see those little hair on it? I'm not sure if you can, but there's a lot of it, and even in my cheek.
Because it is a glow up session, I added few new things. Firstly, tea tree essential oil to my face pack, and secondly, coffee and sugar scrub in my cleansing process. After preparing my pack, I did my usual cleansing and then applied the pack. If I am making the effort to remove hair from my body, then it is quite a huge thing. My long length of hair is quite an evident that I don't do it often. But when I do, I always use Veet, the aloe vera one. It takes me like 8 for both legs. And to shave my underarms, I have used Kai razor, which is for bikini line shave and trim. I scrubbed my body with the same coffee and sugar formula. Trust me, it works great. And after bath, I did the same skincare routine that I follow. You can watch the video too. I will provide the link on my screen. And for my body, I like to moisturize it with Jack Olive Oil. Usually I cannot tolerate strong smell, but somehow I can bear this one. I also like how it makes my skin look shiny and makes my skin feel lively. The best feeling after all that effort is getting into something really cute and most importantly, comfortable outfit. I don't wear earrings unless I'm going out, and that too if there is an occasion. But on days like this, I put on something very simple like a stud just to feel good. So that was all for this glow up session. My haircut is not satisfactory at all and I am aware of that, but Manjeet made sure I felt guilty about it. But anyway, I feel great and that's enough for now. By the way, you can check his YouTube channel too. Link will be provided on the top right side.
Right now, my plans are totally booked. I'm going to watch Frozen 2, and till then, I think you should go like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please share with everyone you can. Take care. Bye.